Om Gururam Namaste. Good morning, all of you, my dear fourth class students. Today discuss about time. From your workbook, volume 1. Everybody open page number 36. See here. Look at the blackboard, everybody. First, fill in the blanks. Write down. First one. There are dash days in a week. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. Write down. Second one. The number of weeks in a year is dash. How many weeks, beta? Approximately 52 weeks. Write down, everybody. 52. Now next. Dash days make a leap year. How many days, beta? 366 days. Here in leap year, February has 29 days. Then leap year has 366 days. Now next, fourth one. The next leap year after 2016 is 2020, because the leap year comes 4 years once. 4 సంవత్సరాలకు ఒకసారి వస్తుంది. Then you can add 4. 2016 plus 4, you can get 2020. Next, the leap year just before 2008 is dash. 2004, beta. 2004. Now next, write the time as shown in the example. Write down, everybody. First, don't waste time. Write on. See here. Look at the blackboard, everybody. Write the time as shown in the example. The first one is 7:10, means 7 hours 10 minutes. It can be written as, this is the first, we can write minutes to first 10 minutes 10 minutes to past 7. Now next 8:30. How you can write it? 30 minutes past 8. 30 minutes past 8. Next 12:55. Very good. 55 minutes past 12. Next 9:45. 45 minutes past 9. 3:50. 50 minutes past 3. Next 6:40. 40 minutes past 6. Write down everybody. Let now next see example. "20 minutes to 9. Did you understand? 20 minutes to 9 means 20 minutes less than 9. Means you can write 8:40. Okay. Now next 10 minutes to 12. How you can write it? 10 minutes less than to 12 means 11. 11. See here. 12, 3, 4, 3, 9, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. See, 10 minutes to 12 means this is 12. Hours hand lies between 11 and 12. Okay. 10 minutes to 12 means 11:50. See here. See here, no? So 10 minutes means here 45 minutes. See here 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, now 60. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Then you can write 10 minutes to 12 means 11:50. Did you understand everybody? 11:50. Now next quarter past 8. Quarter means 15 minutes. Past 8 means 8:15. Next, half past. Half past 10. Half means 30 minutes. 30 minutes past 10. 10:30. Next, 3/4 past. 6. 3/4 means 1/4 is equals to 15 minutes. 3/4 means 15 plus 15 plus 15. 45 minutes. Means 45 minutes past 6. 6:45. Next, 10 minutes past 4. 10 minutes past 4 means 4:10. Next, last one, see, 40 minutes to 11. చెప్పండి రా బేటా. See here, 60 minutes to 40 minutes, 20 minutes. Okay, 11 means 40 minutes less than 11 means 10, 20. Write down everybody. So first one, See here, write the time in hours, minutes format. See here, first one is the hours hand lies between 3 and 4, minutes hand exactly positioned number 2. Then you can write what is time. The hours hand lies between 3 and 4 means 0, 3. Okay. Next, so 2 means how many minutes completed? So 2 is multiplied by 5. Then you can get 2 5 are 10. 5 minutes, 10, 15, 20, 25 like that only. So 3, 10. Write down everybody. Now next one. The hour sign lies between 9 and 10. The minute sign positioned at 6. So 9:30. You can write 09 hours 30 minutes like that only. Now next one. The hour sign lies between 12 and 1. Minute sign exactly positioned at number 5. See here. 12 hours. How many minutes completed? So now 5 into 5. 25. See here. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes. 12, 25. Write down. Kada na? 15 na. See, sorry beta. Okay? 12 hours, 15 minutes. Now next. The hour sign lies between 4 and 5. The minute sign exactly position numbered at 6. 4 hours 30 minutes. 4:30. The hour hand positioned at 9 numbered, and the minutes hand exactly positioned at 12. 9 o'clock. The hour hand lies between 2 and 3. Minutes hand positioned at exactly numbered 5. Two 25. The hour sign lies between 9 and 10, not 10. The minute sign exactly positioned at numbered 11. See here, the hour sign lies between 9 and 10. So, 9:55. See, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. 9:55. The hour sign lies between 10 and 11. Minutes and exactly position at number 8. So, 10:40, 10 hours 40 minutes. The hour sign lies between 2 and 3. Minutes hand exactly positioned at number 6. 2:30. Update. Say everybody. 12 hours 5 minutes. 5 minutes it can be written as 05 beta. Did you understand? 5 minutes can be written as 0, 5. The hour sign lies between 3 and 4. The minutes hand exactly positioned at 7. 3:35 minutes. Now last one. The hour sign lies between 2 and 3. The minutes and exact positioned at 9. So what is time? 2:45 minutes. Okay, beta, today your class is completed. Thank you to all.